Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update environment variables in Expo builds, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update environment variables in Expo builds, start by opening your project folder in the terminal. Make sure you have the latest version of Expo CLI installed. Next, identify the environment variables you wish to change. Create a new file called .env in the root directory of your project. Open the .env file in your preferred text editor. Define your environment variables in the format variable_name equals value. For example, you might set API_URL equals https:// your .api.endpoint. Once you've added all necessary variables, save and close the file. Next, install the Expo Constants package if you haven't already. Run the command npm install expo constants. Now, open the file where you want to use these environment variables. Import constants from Expo Constants at the top of your file. To access your variables, use constants.manifest.extra. For instance, you can access your API URL by writing const API URL equals constants.manifest.extra.api_URL. To ensure your environment variables are included in the build, update your app.json file. In app.json, locate the Expo section. Add an extra field if it doesn't already exist. Inside the extra field, add your environment variables. For example, extra API_URL, process.env.api_URL. Save the changes to your app.json file. Now, when you build your Expo app, these environment variables will be included. Run your project to test if the environment variables are working as expected. You can do this by executing Expo Start in the terminal. Open your application on a simulator or a physical device. Verify that the environment variables are accessible in your app's code. If needed, make adjustments to the variables in the .env file and repeat the process. This is how you can efficiently update environment variables in Expo builds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.